How's it going? Welcome to this channel video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, by clicking that subscribe button below this video so you do not miss out on any future content. As you know, TikTok has become very popular lately, and a lot of people turn to TikTok for business. Many of them decided to switch their content from YouTube to TikTok. TikTok is basically a great platform for free promotion. So if you follow trends and if you create popular content, then you can easily gain followers, your audience, and eventually leads for your business. So I decided to start with TikTok last month. So I created a completely new account and I started making a 15 seconds video. My goal was to encourage people to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to sign up for an affiliate offer that I was promoting. And quickly I bumped into an obstacle. So if you're new to TikTok, the TikTok won't allow you to put the clickable link in your bio unless you have over 1,000 followers. So I had 0 followers when I started, since it was a completely new account. Instead of crying over that, so I went through Fiverr and I hired somebody to grow my audience. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online marketplace for freelance services. So basically, whatever you need, so either help with digital marketing, social media, SEO, writing and translations, for example, resume writing or LinkedIn profiles, sales copies, email copies, video animation, so logos, animated GIFs, visual effects, music and audio, programming and tech, business as well. So you can find someone to do it for you. It's a great platform if you're lacking skills in something or you just need help with something. You can find someone to do it for a very low price. Sometimes you can find great work for only $5. So I wanted to hire someone who can grow my TikTok account. The prices varied, and of course I looked at reviews. Sometimes you will find a cheap gig with no reviews. It doesn't mean it's bad. It's probably somebody was just starting. So this is an opportunity for you to snatch a great deal. There is even a TikTok Pro, where you can find verified exceptional talent who provide high quality service. Of course, these are a bit pricey. So for example, this one is starting at $850. I mean, this one is even $1,500, and so on and so on. But those are people actually who have great results backing their service. So if you want a professional, oh my god, this one is $4,000, this one is almost $8,000. So if you want someone with a great service that will do a professional work, then TikTok Pro is definitely a place where you'll find those people. I typed in TikTok to find the service, and I got various results. So it was a very generic search just to see what will come up. So this one will create a TikTok style choreography for your song. This will also do a dance video for TikTok. So as you see, a lot of these are interesting and some of these are very inexpensive, starting at $5. So I wanted to narrow my search, so I typed in grow TikTok. So basically I wanted to find someone who can grow my TikTok account organically and manually. And as I looked to all of these accounts, I decided to go with this guy, Social Solution. So it says, I will grow your TikTok account with followers and likes. So starting at $25. So when I clicked on it, this guy also has, as everyone else, it has a basic, standard, and premium service. The difference between these is of course the price, and in this case, targeting the right audience. Sometimes you will see that the length of the service will vary. Some will offer only 15 days of service for this price, and so forth. So I bought this standard package of his. So once this guy logged into my account, he gave me the access to the analytics tool so I could track the results. And after 30 days of service, I received 925 followers. So he did a pretty good job of finding the audience that I wanted. We also had a pretty good conversion rate of 18.41% on average. Since then, so he finished his delivery, I think 2 or 3 days ago, and since then my user base or my followers grew to over 1,000. So I was able to achieve my goal of putting the clickable link in my bio. So it was this simple. It's very easy to find someone who knows what to do. It was completely new. I was completely new to TikTok, and I still am. I was just making short videos, and I didn't know anything about targeting the audience, following, unfollowing, and hashtags. So it was better for me to turn for help. So you can find a link to Fiverr below this video in the description box. Like I said, whether you need help with your business or just want to make something, Fiverr is a great place to find someone who will do a professional work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.